Buy your book. 100 ways to Richard Dangote. Buy your book. Someone have fun now.
How you dey?
I just did. I be writer.
Abi?
Yes, I be writer. I don write several books.
Which book you dey sell there?
I dey sell a type of book. I dey sell book based on financial stability. Understand? So my books na financial advice na dey there. So this one na 100 ways to Richard Dangote na there this. First edition.
100 ways to be richer than Dangote.
The 100 ways to be richer than Dangote. Once you read them, God, you don't blow.
Who write the book?
Now me write them.
Now you write the book?
Yeah, I'm the sole writer of this book.
But you don't read the book?
I don't understand.
You don't read the book, you will write.
Sure, now I read the book now.
As you read that, it no work for you.
No. The book no dey work for who write am. I for who buy am. So